Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a domain from register.com step by step clearly. To transfer your domain from register.com, start by logging into your register.com account. Locate the domain management section in your account dashboard. Find the domain you wish to transfer and click on it. Ensure that the domain is unlocked for transfer. If it is locked, follow the prompts to unlock it. Next, obtain the authorization code for the domain. You can usually find this option under Domain Settings or Transfer Domain. Make sure to copy the authorization code to your clipboard. Now, visit the website of your new domain registrar. Create an account with the new registrar if you don't already have one. Once logged in, look for the option to transfer a domain. Enter the domain name you wish to transfer and paste the authorization code when prompted. Complete any additional required information and proceed to the payment section. After payment, check your email for a confirmation message from the new registrar. Confirm the transfer by following the instructions provided in the email. Return to your register.com account for any additional steps required. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the transfer status. The transfer process may take a few days to complete. Once finalized, confirm that the domain appears in your new registrar's account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.